Hello and welcome to another fantastic iTRAK property. My name is Anthony Vleck and it's my absolute pleasure to be able to show you through 151 Albert Ave in Boronia. Fully renovated, been extended, access to all the facilities. Come on, I'd love to show you through. Check out this amazing space. Study area, room for sitting away from family and friends in your own privacy. What a great place for a professional couple or family wanting to work from home. If you are looking for an amazing property, this could be it. Huge family area, great backyard, close to all the facilities. I really look forward to meeting you in the next coming weeks and helping you purchase this amazing home. And I'll see you then.